There we go. Let's try again. Let's try again. Okay, guys. Okay. Late adopter. How you guys doing? I don't want to do all that thing again. So 9:30 every single day we do this kind of thing without sound. Then we do it again every single day, two times. How you guys doing? I see a lot of people in the chat. There is Ralph. Ron is here, Ralph is here, and Nihal. We got 3 TA fan club members. Welcome, guys. And we got a bunch of other people that are not fan club members. They don't have the secret. The mute adopter. Michael is funny today. Michael is funny. Yeah, funny guy, Michael. Funny guy. Michael, do your job, okay? Don't be funny. Yeah, Michael. Hi, guys. How you doing? Who is here? Michael, Lynn, Birgit. Birgit is here. Nice. David, Delta, David, 30. Migo is. Yeah, how you guys doing? How to join TA? You join the link. There's a link. You go to youtube.com/thelateadopter/join and you join. That's how you join the party. That's how you join the secret club. What's up, Adopt? So everybody, we're gonna do tech analysis, because everybody wants to know what's happening with Bitcoin. So we're gonna go in charts, make my face model chart bigger, and see what's happening here. And you can see that it is looking bearish. It does not looking bullish. We dropped below the 10 and 20 moving average. Why you look like you just got out of bed? Because I just got out of bed, man. I just got out of bed. See, coffee, man. It's Saturday night, so I sleep a little longer, just like every day. So 10 and 20. Have a member Zoom meeting, man. we'll have a TA fans club only stream soon. Only TA members. Okay, this is 10 and 20 moving average over here. We drop below that. You cannot be bullish when you drop below that. There are some. Steve Austin is in the house. Dump, he says dump. Okay, let's go. So but we did not break this level here. We did not break. We did not make a lower low over here. So that's a good thing. And even if we make lower low, we're gonna call this lower low over here. We're gonna say this is nothing, right? But right now it's kind of holding some kind of level. But we are bearish right now. We are looking to the downside more than to the upside. We are also looking for some kind of bounce here up to the moving averages maybe, and then continuation or the breakout of the move to the upside, right? So either something like this or something like this, like give or take. But over here there's something really nicely happening, and you can see it already on the 4-hourly. The price is going down over here. But if you look at the MACD, sorry, not RSI, the RSI is going up, right? So that's divergence. That's regular divergence. The price should actually go to the upside a little bit. You can see this very nicely on the 1-hourly time frame, where the price is going down and the RSI is going up. So that's divergence. We got divergence, so we are going towards the upside. But this might already be finished right now, hitting this 20 moving average on the 1-hourly. So we just might get some kind of rejection up here and just continue going further down. We don't know. Wait. We don't know if this is going to continue going down, but this move to the upside is already technically finished. The way I see it, it's technically finished, because these divergences don't last for like a very long time. They go a little bit, and then that's divergence. That's done. It's corrected. But right now we got, if this bounce off here, we got something. The price is going down, the RSI is going up. This is hidden bearish divergence. So we should be pushed to the downside. Now if we create another regular divergence, this might actually start correcting itself, and we might actually come out of this to the upside. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. You don't drink coffee empty stomach, eat something and then drink coffee. It's bad. Well, I know it's bad. My stomach is like messed up totally, man. I don't think coffee is good to drink at all, man. I think coffee is messing up me totally. So basically there is some kind of you know, there is divergence over here, and there is you know, hidden bearish divergence over here, so we might actually continue going down. So this might actually just continue creating these you know, the divergences until it actually corrects itself down somewhere down here. Once it corrects itself, it's either go up or go down. We don't know, but right now it looks like it might actually just continue going down. But you know, we don't know actually that. If you look at the on the 4 hourly, we can see that we are hitting some kind of very low levels on the RSI down at 30 levels over here. You can see here previously when I hit 30 levels on the RSI, you know, we bounced up. Right now we're going down, but we're hitting 30 levels again on some higher level than previously. So we might actually continue going up from over here. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Not the best case scenario right now. Not the most bullish, guys. So when am I gonna be bullish? When am I gonna be bullish? Right now I'm not quite bullish. I think that you know, we still got a lot of support below us, guys. We got a lot of support below us. Okay, we got these three just by looking at the you know, lines, like say the weekly lines, and then of course you got all the way down to 32,000. You know, there is a lot of support, very decent support as well. These are very decent support lines, guys. Very decent support lines, and you can see here every, I don't know, what was that, every 3% down, you know, we got the support. This is 3%. This is 3.6. This is 3.3. So you know, we got some room to go down. We got some room to go down. But you know, on the way down, there should be a lot of. I don't think there will come a big drop. I mean, it can come big. How fast it's gonna happen, I don't know. But we got pretty decent supports on the way down. So you know, the probability that we catch one of these supports and it holds, you know, it's pretty high. It's pretty high. Standard thinking it's pretty high. Now, what we don't want is we don't want to close below this line up here. Let me just clear up everything up here. We don't want to close below this line up down here, because that will create bearish engulfing candle. This will create bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame, and that's a big bad thing. You know, we don't want to do that. Why would we want to do that? So you know, we would like to close above this line up here. Today's Saturday, so Sunday. So I don't know if you're gonna manage that. 796. Let's change this to 796. 796. You know, just to keep the bullishness alive. You know, we don't want to go below 35,796 this week. You know, that's not gonna be good for anybody. Also, we managed to get back below this level down here at 38,160, which basically means that we did not actually manage to. So we tried to break this to the upside and then failed. So this is actually resistance right now, very good resistance at 38,158 that actually is holding. We tried to break, we broke them right back down again, which is not actually a good sign, especially if we break it on the downside with this you know, engulfing bearish candle, right? If we break this down and we close below 35,796 on Sunday, I'm telling you guys right now that like move to the downside might actually continue coming, because that's a very bearish thing to do. That's a very bearish thing to do. But right now, you know, we can relax a little bit, because on the 4 hourly and on the 1 hourly we got divergence going on, you know. So these divergences, you know, doesn't mean that they're gonna push you up, but they will push us up to the first you know, first moving averages, and that's 10 and 20 moving average. So which one of these is gonna hold? You can see here already on 1 hour. So right now we're hitting the 10 moving average. So if we get rejected by 10 moving average, we can fall a little bit more down, stuff like that. Let's see what the other moving averages are. 50 on the 1 hourly. I would say the 50 moving average up here is a very important level to break. That's a 37,312. But on 4 hourly, I would like to get above the 20 moving average. You can see the 20 moving average going right down for us right now. See here, right down. So it's gonna be pushing us down once we start hitting it. So you know, you want to break the bar on the upside, right? You want to break the upside. Either way, guys, for today I don't think we are very bullish. We are kind kind of in the bearish sentiment, unfortunately. So, you know, the long positions, you know, put them on hold a little bit. Put them on hold. You know, you might try to catch the bottom or whatever, you know, but you know, right now the long game has to be put on hold. The way I see it, there is. Everybody's looking at 4-hour time frame, and they are looking at this big divergence, right? You can see here that the price is going up. Let me use this line up here. So you can see the price is going up, right? And the RSI is going down. But what I'm gonna explain to you right now, right over here, if this right now after this green candle you get another red candle going down here below this level, this divergence is actually corrected. This divergence will be actually correct. So doing this zigzag or just going red green and red again below this level down here, below this level, that will be corrected divergence. There will be no big divergence over here. But the only way we're gonna keep this divergence if we continue creating green candles, at least one more green candle up here, then I think this divergence will be actually you know, will be confirmed. And if this you know 4-hour divergence is confirmed, then I see a big probability that we are going to go up and test the 20 moving average, at least the 10 moving average, but hopefully the 20 moving average as well. But it's a big divergence. It's a big divergence on the 4-hour time frame. So, you know, we're gonna see how this plays out. Are there any patterns over here? There was some kind of big, you know, I know the moon is talking about the rising wedge over here that's broke to the downside, and he's calling it, you know, target down here at 31,000. Well, it looks bearish, so it's quite, you know, probable that we might actually hit down to 31,000. Whether we're gonna do that or not, you know, these things can just stop over here and continue up like on the first. They don't have to go all the way down to the target area. It can stop on the first and then go to the upside. Either way, that's it, guys, around that. Any questions? That said, I'm in 30%, minus 30% log. We got new TA fans club member, Stanimir Vasilev. Stanimir, welcome to the chat, welcome to the fans club, welcome to the moon phases. You know, few more days until pump. Full moon. Yeah, we are waiting for the full moon on 24th. After 24th, if we don't get you know, the pump that we are expecting, you know, I'm gonna be really disappointed. I mean, for the really long term anyway, crypto is the future. Has the death cross even happened? Yeah, no, it's gonna happen tomorrow. Death cross is tomorrow, guys. That cross is tomorrow. No, yeah, that cross is already happening right now, but you know, it's not confirmed right now. This isn't confirmation. I know it, because if you have this red candle go all the way up, you know, up to the moon today, then it might be just that it might be just that this, for example, this 50 moving average goes down here and then just goes up here the next day, right? It closes up here. Sorry, it goes up here, but it closes up here, because right now, if we close where we are right now, then we have the cross, right? But if this closes as a green candle, that this you know, 50 moving average might actually close up there or something like that. It's very little probable. So technically we haven't you know, confirmed the cross. So tomorrow we're gonna confirm the cross, but today the cross is happening. Today is happening. Tomorrow is confirmation on the cross. 1 hour head and shoulders from 12 June. 1 hour head and shoulders from 12 June. I don't see that head and shoulders, man. Head and shoulders reversal 4 hour. Head and shoulders reversal 4 hour. Oh, you mean yeah, the big kahuna, yeah. I hope that's a thing, guys. But it's got something like this over here. So you know, you gotta be pretty bullish to do this this part over here. You know, you can do this, you can do this. You gotta be, you know, you gotta break all kinds of levels, like up to 42 back again to actually manage to get this inverse head and shoulders going. Stuck in the sofa and missed the start. There was no start, man. You just came at the right time. Dr. Recruiter, morning, morning, man. Morning, TA fan club member. How you doing? Will be live trades with TM members. Will you be doing live trades with TM members in the future? I don't do live trades like ever. I did once with high leverage, you know, that failed miserably. I was trying to 20, 50, you know, leverage, you know, that didn't work out. So guys, don't leverage trade. It's really hard, actually, you know, especially if you try scalping or some stuff like that. How is the volume? Non-existent. Alright, the volume is fine. Let's see over here. The volume is fine here on the 1 hour. You know, you got some small pumps down here. Down here it might actually be looking like it actually went up to the bottom over here. So you know, right now I think we're hitting some kind of stop over here right now. You know, but you know, how far we're gonna get there, it kind of depends. Right now hitting this 20 moving average as a resistance. So I'm looking actually for this to actually drop a little bit more down before it actually goes up again. So we're gonna see how that works out. We're gonna see. The good thing about this bear market is we have good range of 10% up and down, so utilize it. Do the dice, man. Yeah, we're gonna do live trades with dice. Live trades with dice, why not? We need shirts, we need all kinds of things. We need shirts, we need cups, we need dices, we need, you know, the moon phases, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff, guys. Boredom trades are the worst. Yeah, maybe that's the thing. Okay, guys, like I'm not curious, you know, let's see over here. No, there is no divergence or anything. Everything works out as it should be working out. Looking bearish, but that can always change as soon as you get a big pump to the upside, right? We are not like long-term bearish, but we are like short-term bearish right now because it doesn't look very good. On the very short term, we might actually get pumped to the upside to hit these moving averages. It's only if we manage to break the moving average that we get to be super bullish. But if we start getting rejected by them again, like I can see more downside. Definitely. Now, if you start breaking these levels on the downsides, this is the first one that will go, and then you got these levels down here that you know, are gonna start getting break. But if these three lines get broken, like less support down here at 33,000, if 33,000 gets broken, we gotta look for some bottoming stuff, because if we don't bottom out down here somewhere, you know, it's you know, the probability is that we are gonna go see some very low levels. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to go down here. I want to go up. So you know, the best case scenario, ultimately the best case scenario, getting above these moving averages up here. But whether that's gonna happen or not, it's hard to tell, guys. It's hard to tell. Chicken bones. Remember last weekend? It will be the same. Bullish. Yeah, I hope so. I can have a, you know, Sunday stream, a bullish Sunday. I should have stayed out of the market this weekend. Got totally wrecked. Said here that, mate. Said here that. You probably FOMO'd in. Christopher Hicks, BTC crossed 200 on a 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart? No way, man. Crossed the 200 on 5-minute chart. Yeah, I did. Well, technically it did, and it went back, and it's trying to cross the 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart. Guys, you want a pro tip? You 5-minute chart tips. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you pro tips on a 5-minute chart. You know, just so you can give you a little bit value when, you know, doing 5-minute charts. First of all, on 5-minute chart, that's the 200 moving average. But you can see the 200 moving average is just too small on 5-minute chart. So what you do is you go not 200, not 300, you go 400 moving average. You see here, now you're getting a little bit better, a little bit smoother line, a little bit better line. So you're not using the 200 moving average, you are using the 400 moving average. Not only that, Not only that, you can go even higher on 5-minute chart, guys. You can go even higher. You can go 800 on 5-minute chart. You can go 800. You can see here that on 5-minute chart, the 800 is pretty smooth, guys. Pretty smooth. Look at this. Holding it really nicely. Really nice moves on the 800 moving average, right? And not only that, you know, sometimes it can be very nice to go as far as 1000 or 1002. I usually take 1000 because, you know, it's a nice race number. 1000 moving average, but you see 800 or 1000, not that actually different, but you know, you can actually tweak that a little bit. So on 5-minute chart, you have to use really high moving average, like 400, 800, 1000. Just so you know, just to smooth out the line, you know, sometimes that can be a thing, sometimes that can be a thing. Just so you know, pro tip, and you will see that, you know, 400 and 800, if when you are looking at 5-minute charts, actually can give you some kind of very smooth moving averages. I say one more short tip before we bottom. We are close. Should I close my short position? Is it divergence? Well, if you are having short position, you might be considering that, especially if it's like a short-term trade or something like that, right? Because there is a quite big divergence over here. Now it might actually continue dropping down, but I think if right now it has this divergence over here, but it also has hidden bearish divergence over here, so you know, it might actually drop down further. It might even drop down lower, but if you see the second one creating also divergence, like I would definitely get out, because double divergence maybe gonna go up. So you know, it depends on how short you are. I mean, if you are shorting from 64k, you probably want to keep the short, maybe. But if you are just shorting as short-term shorting or something like that, you know, not for, yeah, you do what you want to do with your money, but like, you know, it's right now, it's a divergence, you know. On the 4-hourly we dumped out quite a bit, you know. Might be some kind of stop over here and we continue going down. So you know, I don't want to tell you what to do, you know, but and how far can this go up? You know, it can just go up like this over here, right? It can go up like here. Now if you open some kind of a short up here, right, and you know, it goes on a little bit up and then continues going down, that would be a lot more profitable for you. Know, so you know, why should you close the short? But you know, you have to figure it out to yourself, like how comfortable are you for holding. But right now I think there is more downside to come. I think we're gonna have some kind of a move to the upside and then more downside if there is a downside, you know. But you know, it all depends on the next move to the upside, if you can break the moving averages to the upside or to the downside. That's it. Find some level, switch to 1 minute and start the commentary. Now there is no important level. Like when we get to the important levels that we need to cross and stuff like that, like important time frames, we're gonna do the 1 minute commentary, guys. We're gonna do the 1 minute commentary. Where is the death cross at the moment? The death cross is happening, guys. The death cross is happening right now. There you go. This is the death cross. But like I said, you have to, for confirmation, you have to wait for tomorrow. But right now it is happening. I say one more short dip before we bottom. We are close. Yeah, I think it might be head and shoulders down to the 4-hourly. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining this morning session of Bitcoin Daily every single day at 9:30 Central European Time on the dollar every single day. Join the TF Fans Club member club if you want to have the green name in the chat. If you want to spam the emojis, you know, be part of the crew, the Moon crew. Is this over? Well, the stream is over. This, you know, this the life of Chartson is never over. So I don't think the dump might actually go a little bit up, but we are not quite sure if it's over or not. Thank you again, man. Remember, Dow Jones came out of trend and falling. By the way, today is Sunday, so nothing's happening with Dow Jones. We're gonna look at Dow Jones on Monday and see how he's doing. John says, pump. Thanks, guys. See you around. Don't do anything crazy. Don't do anything crazy. Don't leverage trade and stuff like that. Like, you know, fast money. Who wants fast money? We want slow money. Slow money is nice. Anyways, guys, where's my stop button? There is a stop button. Okay, guys, see you around. Bye-bye. We need a moon emoji. Yeah, I'm gonna make it right after the stream.